He has requested that those who are going to Yumbe put up their hands. Also, that's your equivalent ready.
Nimwe bano basajja batufuula kimpenche kubire batufuula batategeera n'abana bonna bavubuka abali wano abalenza balono nga tebasobola kwesuula ne beesimbawo okubeera omubaka wa Yumbe era nga alina kuvaayo Moses tasobola Nakutuula tasobola nakwogera tasobola kuyimirira n'okutambula bakwata mukwate ne bwatudde amagulu gasobola kubeera mu kifo kimu ne gatereera gatagala butagazi bwe gati God forbid siisa maaso mu bulamu bwe naye asaanya omule abantu mwena bali kusegerwa Moses ali mutuyambe abaana ba Moses ali mutuyambe kimanyi nomwaka kyagala akasentera kafuna mu gavumenti kafuna mbaka ba parliament mukafuna kuba minister mukagalanya akasenta ako naye mugende mukole oba mwesimbewo mubeera abakulembeze b'abantu ne taata awummule banange jjajja awummule Moses atakyasobola nammwe omuntu nga ne bwatula amagulu tegasobola kutereera nenyi ne bwatula asobola kutereera baganda bange lwaki mutukola bwe muti omusajja muleka omulabire wali wabeere ng'akera kwota kasanabe kati akyayo tasobola na kwogera kati mu parliament agenda kwogerayo ki abantu beeyumbe banaye muzuuke nammwe mwerondemu omulenzi alina embavu abakulembere lwaki nga mutuleetera abantu bwe bati Moses ali nawe tala tuyambe munnanga nedda kiri too much bambi mutuyambe sokulolera omuntu w'omuntu tetuyisa maaso mu bulamu bwe naye kiri too much baganda baffe nedda Moses ali wummula funayo omuntu omulala tebakuta kiki kalaba abantu abakyalina amaanyi batudde awo tebasobola kwevaamu oba batya buti Moses ali alina amaanyi mangi obanga ayimiddeo n'asikala ekitiisa abantu yabagamba anesimbako mukuba ekyasaafe Mukama namugereke yagereka ensi eno watukolimira bukolimizi waffe tulina ekisibo kye twakola Katonda n'atukyawa n'atuvaako Mukama olaba embira Moses ali gy'alimu negino musibe natero gituukamu nyina yazo gibeeramu ng'ali bw'atyo naye ng'akyayagala kulembera Uganda banange twetaaseeko n'ebino biswaza n'okuswaza obirago n'agamba is this Uganda banange nja twogeza ebigambo ebitanyuma na kwogera naye Moses ali yali musajja wambavu yaliko omusajja yali w'amaanyi ng'ategeerekeka yaliko n'omuyekera n'obuyekera gw'olaba olaba yalimu omusajja ye nga mwali embutuufu omusajja yaggwawo omusajja awe lwaki temumuleka namunanda lunaku lwe lwakufa kale kasootawo ebyafaayo bya Moses ali mumutegeere bulungi oba nga temunamutegeera bulungi kamubagambe Moses ali born 5th April 1939 is a Ugandan lawyer, politician and retired military officer. He is the current second deputy prime minister and the deputy leader of government business in parliament. He previously served in the cabinet of Uganda as the third deputy prime minister and the deputy leader of government business from 2011 until June 2016. He also served as the first deputy minister, prime minister from June 2016 to May 2021. He has served as the elected member of parliament for East Moyo County in Adjumani district since 2011. Now, era omulenzi akyayagala. Era akyayagala. Omuntu yazaalibwa mu 1939. Ayala manoi. Akyayagala buyinza. Awera tannakuta. Batugambye wano Moses Ali was born on 5th in Adjumani district. He holds a bachelor's of laws degree from Makerere University. He also holds the diploma in legal practice from the Law Development Center in Kampala. Moses Ali also holds qualifications from military educational institutions in Uganda, Israel, and the United Kingdom. He is a Muslim. Yes. He is a Muslim. Yes. Uliawano. Ali was involved in the 1971 Uganda coup d'etat. They overthrew President Milton Obote. Ntandise ogatta dots. Bwabanga Moses Ali yetaba mu kujjako Milton Obote, and brought Idi Amin to power. Ensonga lwaki aliwo nga James Museveni ndagala mmuta. Takyasobola kukola Moses Ali tewakyali. James naye ate anaze okukola asobola okubuusa ne bamukolako kudita tabatayagala kumwejjako amuleka wabeerawo bwato kale. He consequently lose in the ranks during laws in the ranks during the Second Republic of Uganda. When Amin ruled the country, Moses Ali was appointed Minister of Finance. Journalists Tony Avagan and Mathan Henry described him as one of Amin's closest henchmen. As Minister of Finance, he used his position to organize an Islamic charity. This gained him a lot of popular support, but also raised Amin's suspicions. As he feared Amin, Ali was attempting to construct a Muslim political base of support. Indeed, Moses Ali gained many followers within the Ugandan army. In April 1978, the president organized a meeting in the capital Kampala where he railed against ministers who he deemed disloyal, too powerful or incompetent, including Moses Ali, accusing the Minister of Finance of mismanaging the Bank of Uganda, gross corruption, mishandling Muslim Supreme Council funds, and ignoring orders by the government. Amin became so angry during his speech that he threw a trash can at Ali. Having realized that his situation was untenable, Ali got away as soon as possible. He quietly snuck out of Kampala in his private car and fled to his home in the West Nile region. When he got there, however, a group of hitmen attacked him, but he fended them off in a gunfight. Ali was convinced that his downfall and the attempted assassination had been organized by the Uganda Army Commander Yusuf Gowon, a long-time rival of his. Amin subsequently stripped him of all of his military honors, However, Amin was still wary of Ali's large following and only formally fired him from the ministerial portfolio in August 1978. Around October 10, agents attempted to arrest Ali but were killed. Okitegedde ndowooza owulidde Moses Ali alina bayagala okumuta ku lwami natta ate we baali basinzise okumutta n'amalayo ate mbu ne support alina nnene kyawanoza ne General Museveni amutya kyava amukuumirawo bw'atyo abeerawo bw'atyo tayagala kumweggyako kuba Amin bwe yamweggyako byakyankana Museveni aga bwe namweggyako ono boy biyinza okukyankana kati oba ali mu mbeera ki ajja kubakulembera naye tulabye nno kujja wano. When Amin's regime collapsed during the Uganda-Tanzania war in 1978-1979, Ali fled into exile in southern Sudan, finding refuge in Nimule. In the 1980s, he led the Uganda National Rescue Front in an armed rebellion against the government of reinstated President Milton Obote and became a warlord ruling a fifth in South Sudan. Now I know why General Museveni loves South Sudan. Why General Museveni is sending troops of UPDF now in South Sudan. For way back, South Sudan has been the harboring area for soldiers for what? Yaba yekera. Bade bekwekanye South Sudan bavene bajazi bazonya zi government tuvula General Museveni tagala kuta South Sudan wange habalinganya abayekera bakuba Uganda ne Moses Ali yatandike ekintu kye. Okay, tugenda tubitegeera boy tujja kubitegeera uliyo wano. Among the insurgents of the early Uganda Bush War, he waged the most effective guerrilla campaign, using his influence and military powers to his advantage. Ali eventually negotiated a favorable deal with Yoweri Museveni, who took power as president at the Bush Wars end in 1986. His forces were integrated into Uganda's new national army, the National Resistance Army, which later became the Uganda People's Defense Force, and he was appointed a major general. As a result of his powerful position in Uganda's new government and military, Ali became highly influential and quite wealthy. Oshagede yali muyekera azoganyize South Sudan. Tuvula General Museveni yesu South Sudan tagala kuvaayo bamanya bayekera batandikirayo nnyo. Oshagede kali yajje Moses Ali ne beegatta ne bakkiriziganya abali abayekera Moses Ali ne beegatta ku UPDF. General Museveni namuwaagafu atagala kumwejja kunoza naye alinze lwalifa. Yamuteekaawo bw'atyo kuba yagaggola n'agada yamuguuda. Ali even rose to first deputy prime minister in Museveni's government. He served in the Uganda parliament from 2001. He was further promoted to lieutenant general on 13th March 2003, but lost both his parliamentary seat and his ministerial appointment in 2006. In 2011, at age 72, he regained his position in parliament and was assigned new cabinet responsibilities. In the next year, Ali was once again promoted to the rank of general in the Uganda People's Defense Force. In 2016, following his re-election to parliament, he was again appointed first deputy minister, prime minister, and the deputy leader of government business in parliament. After the 2021 Uganda general election, Moses Ali recognized his cabinet with Ali being appointed as second deputy prime minister and the parliament's deputy leader of government business. Oshtegede oyo Moses Ali wamwe Okitegedde oba yalina 72 mu 2011 2021 yali alina emyaka 82 kati olwaliro tuli mu 2025 alina emyaka 80 kiba 80 2021 ogattako gineena giba 80 era gyekyo 80 nga sebyebyo 2011 tuli mu 2021 alina emyaka 82 okay then ogattako emyaka 4 giba 86 is 86 now. Naye kyagala bakaba parliament okitegedde era addemu abakalakate atajja bufuna era abakalakate era gino nsonyi namwongera ebifu naye baba embeera gyali munge mmaze amaanyi embeera gyali munze mmaze amamiima Akatambi temukalabye kana Akatambi kano ngomoye mubaka wammwe aba akyateesa kiddala tasobola nakwogera tasobola nakutuula n'atereera lwakuba genero lwakuba yali muyeekera neddala akyali w'amaanyi kweli oba byali byaluli sajja no batwesibyeko mu byamagezi nsoma twalwana twali bayeekera twakuba emmundu twaziteera twazikongoboza twazikuluguta twazikolobota